Is Edge Wallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Edge Wallet and recommended alternatives are in the description. Edge Wallet is a multi-currency, mobile-first cryptocurrency wallet designed for both beginners and experienced users. It is a non-custodial wallet, meaning users have full control over their private keys, which are encrypted and stored locally on their device. Unlike traditional wallets that require a seed phrase backup, Edge uses a secure username and password system, simplifying access while maintaining strong security. One of Edge Wallet's standout features is its client-side encryption, meaning private keys never leave the user's device. It also offers built-in exchange services, allowing users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies within the app. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and various ERC20 tokens. Additionally, it includes biometric login options and two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. Who is it for? Edge Wallet is ideal for users who want a simple yet secure mobile wallet with built-in exchange capabilities. Its easy setup makes it great for beginners, while its advanced security features appeal to more experienced users. However, those managing large crypto holdings may prefer a hardware wallet for maximum security. Strengths include strong client-side encryption, a user-friendly interface, built-in exchanges, and multi-currency support. Weaknesses include its reliance on mobile devices, which are inherently more vulnerable to malware and phishing attacks compared to hardware wallets. Additionally, while Edge offers a secure login system, some users may prefer the traditional seed phrase method for full recovery control. So is Edge Wallet safe? Yes, it offers strong security features and a convenient user experience, making it one of the best mobile wallets available. However, for large crypto holdings or long-term storage, a hardware wallet is a safer choice. If you're looking for a secure and easy-to-use mobile wallet, Edge Wallet is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.